We are going to learn the word complicated with its meaning, pronunciation, definition, with its example, as well as we are going to learn this word with its contextual sentences so that we can use this word in our English speaking conversation after understanding it clearly. Alright, so watch this video till the end if you really want to use this word. When something is described as complicated, it means it is not straightforward or easy. It's like a puzzle with many pieces that might hard to figure out or understand. Complicated, 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 complicated. Solving this maths problem is complicated. I need help. Their relationship became more complicated after the argument. Figuring out the new software can be quite complicated, or you can say complicated for American pronunciation. Trying to play the guitar for the first time is complicated. There are so many chords to remember. Sometimes friendship can become complicated when misunderstandings arise. Now use this word and create your own sentences and comment it down below. I would love to check it.